How to fix Facebook login error on your Facebook account. Hello guys, how it's going today? I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this or how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. First, you will just open your settings, and when your settings it's open, you will just open apps or application. Then here you will search for Facebook app, and you will open it. And when it's opening, we will just scroll down and go to storage, and we go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data like this, and you will click OK, and that's it, your problem will fix. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another